Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to draw flowchart to calculate profit or loss in sales. Here we're going to calculate profit or loss in sales in using flowchart. What is flowchart? Flowchart is a graphical representation of solved problem. Here we are using different shapes like oval shape, parallelogram shape, diamond shape, like that. Flowchart is always start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Within oval shape we have to write a start statement. Next we have to read input values. Input value is writing within a parallelogram shape. Here we have to calculate profit or loss in sales, right? So here we have to read selling price SP and cost price CP. So initially we have to read SP, that is selling price, and CP, that is cost price. Input values is always writing within a parallelogram shape. Next we have to compare SP and CP. Comparison is always done within a diamond shape. So here we have to draw diamond shape. Within that we have to compare. If SP is equal to CP, here selling price is equal to cost price. If selling price and cost price are same, there is no loss or profit, right? So if this condition is true, we have to print no loss or no profit. Here we have to print no loss or no profit. If selling price equal to cost price, if this condition is not true, if this condition is false, again we have to compare SP and CP. Here if SP selling price is greater than cost price, if selling price is greater than cost price, if this condition is true, we have to calculate profit. Here selling price is greater than cost price, that is profit, right? So here we have to calculate profit. Profit P is equal to, formula is selling price minus cost price. To calculate profit, formula is selling price minus cost price, that is SP minus CP. Here calculation is done within a rectangular shape. Next we have to print output, right? Here we got profit P, right? So we have to print, here we have to print profit. Profit is P, right? So here P, we have to print the value of P, right? So here P, print, we got profit. Next we have to print the value of profit. Next, if selling price greater than cost price, if this condition is false, we got loss, right? If cost price greater than selling price, we got loss. So we have to calculate L, that is loss. Loss L is equal to, formula is to calculate loss, formula is CP, that is cost price minus selling price. Here we have to calculate loss, right? Formula is cost price minus selling price. Next we have to print loss, right? We got loss. Print loss L. Here we got loss and we have to print the value of loss price. This is the loss price L. Here P, that is profit price. Next, here finally we have to combine all these output. Here print is there, no? Print is represent output. Print is always writing within a parallelogram shape. We have to combine all output and finally we have to stop the flowchart using stop statement. Stop statement is writing within a oval shape. A stop and start statement is always writing within a oval shape. Input and output values is writing within a parallelogram shape. Comparison is done within a diamond shape and calculation is done within a rectangular shape. Let's see, this is the flowchart to calculate profit or loss in sales. Flowchart is start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Next we have to read selling price SP and cost price CP. Input values is writing within a parallelogram shape. Next we have to compare SP and CP. Comparison is done within a diamond shape. Within diamond shape we have to compare. If SP is equal to CP, here selling price SP is equal to cost price CP. If this condition is true, we have to print no loss or no profit. If SP is equal to CP, if this condition is false, if this condition is not true, again we have to compare. If SP selling price greater than CP, yes, selling price is greater than cost price, right? So here we have to print profit, right? We got profit here if this condition is true. So we have to calculate P is equal to SP selling price minus cost price. Next we have to print profit. We got profit, right? So print profit and value of profit P. If this condition is false, we have to calculate loss, right? If SP is greater than CP, if this condition is false, it means cost price is greater than selling price, right? If this condition is false, we have to calculate L, that is loss. L is equal to cost price minus selling price. Next we have to print, we got loss, right? So print loss and price of loss price, that is L. Finally we have to combine all these output in stop statement. Here stop statement is writing within a oval shape. Stop statement is used to end the flowchart, is used to stop the flowchart. So guys, this is the flowchart to calculate profit or loss in sales. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.